I'm a believer. I'm not a trace. I'm out of my mind. I'm in love.
Ooh, I'm a believer if I try.
Yeah. Straight out of Glendale.
Community, food, devotions, pocket time.
My only goal
and
is can't get a word out.
What?
My only goal is to catch a gecko. Here's our groove. Yeah. You're on the vlog.
What?
You're on the vlog.
Oh my god.
Miss Spencer.
Miss Spencer? I'm not married. Not Miss.
No, I said Miss.
Yes.
What is this?
I said Miss.
Personal.
Miss Benson, my mom wants to know if you want to come see
swear
Danny
that
and
was not
Pocahontas. Let's just do that and we'll figure it out how much more we need to get it. Oh, wait, do I have to bring money? You don't need to get Are you not bringing any money?
You know my mom. Yeah. She's the mom. Her birthday.
Like, I hate
Food.
You're
On the fall.
Yo, test. Hey.
Totally understand. Thank you so much.
Bye, Ren.
But you know what? You guys deserve because you are the young generation.
Yes. Amen, Rennie.
Yes.
Sub to my YouTube channel.
How much did I miss? I'm gonna sub as soon as I get home.
You're gonna sub to my YouTube channel?
You sub to me.
I'm pretty sure I subbed to you. Did I not? At home.
Quartered cheek looking.
I can't make.
Am I gonna make your vlogs?
No, I'm gonna make my own vlogs, and they're gonna be awful, but it's gonna be okay.
You're not gonna put me in your vlogs?
Oh yeah, you're gonna. I thought you meant like, are you gonna literally edit my vlogs? No. Whenever we want. Hey, whoa, double. I'm in double
Guys,
vlog.
what's up? It's Case and Max here. We're going.
You don't get the regular.
Right.
No,
If you're going mince, take it back to basics.
no, John, are you kidding me?
There's like a little nutcracker on it.
Who gets red and white mints anymore?
I do.
Yeah, you can grab some of those. Ow.
Okay, gotta pick those up. It's a great gag though, wasn't it?
I feel like a mom.
He's trying to be me so bad. Turns out right. No, you put that camera. I'm talking about you vlogging. And I said your vlog's gonna be weak. But then I said, nah man, his vlog's gonna be good. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't think I recorded any of that anyway.
Matt, I'm a vlogger now. We're all vloggers. Anything to say to the camera?
Not really.
I gotta stop vlogging, man. We're just
Christian something.
Foundation
Academy, Florida. Foundation Academy, Florida. There we go.
Double L here. You got.
Want to go ball with those kids?
Double L and double D in one.
I wouldn't put that gang sign.
It's gonna be lit.
But not lit though, because we don't like that word.
We don't like that word. They told me if my shoulders were seen, I'd be exiled.
Oh.
It's so sleepy. Real world. School of hard knocks. What is this? What are you guys vlogging?
We're vlogging. It's gonna be sick. And then we got John Mark filming the real bit. Yeah, we're gonna be on the vlog.
No, I had to ask you a question.
It seems to be a wild
Is it okay
dance.
to touch Mars? I'm a huddle of improvers. Now they like to create circles to defend their young from potential predators and to really build an atmosphere of safety.
You see that?
I'm Ted Bear. Tune in next week.
See that? That says Tennessee. We're in Florida.
Inside the furnace. In Tennessee.
Dude, get your camera out of here.
Well, we're at the shack.
Hey, I'll be in your vlog. Hey guys.
Hey, what are we doing?
Wait, is this your way to go into this awesome place?
I don't think we're performing here.
We're not, man.
I don't know. I don't think we are.
I think we are.
I don't know. That's not what I've been
They
hearing.
said that there's 2 performances today.
Yeah, but there's 2 more.
Yeah.
But they said that.
We're going to here. Then we're going to the whole person's place.
Yeah, well, yeah, we're gonna go. No. This champion. Look at the helicopter. Do you want it to go?
No.
You're not on the vlog.
I'm not on the vlog?
You're on the vlog.
I'm on the vlog. I'm pretty happy about being on the vlog.
What's the dolphin sound like?
That'd be a great sound footage film.
Here we are. We're into our last and final performance in Florida. I think we got some Western. Look at this, guys. It's a page dedicated to Marlon Brando. How hot is that? What a blessing. Let's find a good one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is
I kind of want to taste this just to feel what he's tasting.
Okay, go ahead. All you do.
We're gonna force feed this to Noah. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah.
Just jiggling
We say.
around.
Alright, we're going to Magic Kingdom, boy.
We're going to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah,
this is the
this curly
day.
hair.
It's finally come. Oh, I don't know. I'm not gonna bring this giant camera.
Yeah,
To...
so you can enjoy it better, man.
Yeah.
Going to Disney, we signing off. Go for it.
Disney. I don't know if you want to. Sorry.
She's been waiting so long.
The vlog lives on. We at Disney, man.
This fisheye red filter.
Hello, world.
It's on the GoPro,
It is
by the way.
We are.
the beautiful, talented young person. How great.
And we at Disney, man.
The vlog will never end.
The vlog lives on.
We should put the buns in.
What buns?
Where are we at? We on the monorail.
it's really cold. I feel it already.
Freaking freezing.
You haven't even gone outside yet.
I can feel it. It's cold.
I just read it all. They're launchers now.